Here comes a CP train here at Pointe Claire at the St. John's Road Overpass. Headed west at around 3:15. It's the Pointe Claire Shopping Center behind there, and the overpass is right there. It's on a very nice June 4th, 2020. A very nice afternoon. This is like the first time in like 5-6 days that I've been able to go train spotting. So I'm enjoying this. So I got the CN tracks here in front of me, CP behind me, or CP rather in front of those. So there's a possibility, I suppose, that you can get a meet. Always could be. CP won't have a meet though. There's a bunch of maintenance away trucks on the other tracks, so there's no way that's gonna be a pass. So as usual, intermodal in the front of the train and a cut of regular freight, box cars and such. And that's the last car of the train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Go Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.